Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your carrier's roaming plan and ensuring your device is unlocked or supports eSIM. Once done, enable mobile data and data roaming in settings so the phone can join foreign networks. Make sure you've noted coverage zones and per MB or daily costs to avoid surprises. If you plan to use an eSIM, install and activate it now. This gets your phone ready to find and register on a partner network without extra delay. Next, you configure the connection details that keep costs down and performance high. If needed, update the APN to your roaming provider's values and restart the phone. That often fixes registration issues. Once connected, consider switching from automatic to manual network selection to pick the strongest partner. Prioritize 4G or 5G for speed. Also, restrict background app refresh and set a strict data warning or cap so you control. Finally, validate the setup by running a quick speed test and loading essential sites or apps. This confirms DNS and routing are working. Monitor your real-time usage in settings and the carrier app and top up or change to a local eSIM if costs are high. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, and reselect the network. If that fails, reapply the APN or contact carrier support with your device IMEI and the partner network name.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.